So, I'm Sarah Edwards. This is Untold sa direction po ni Derek Cabrito. Ang role ko po dito ay si Elaine. Si Elaine ay isa siyang go-getter.
Ang hirap ikwento ha, kasi baka may ma-share ka ng something na ano eh. Yung pwede lang na.
Ako, hindi naman po. I'll share what I can. So, ang role ko po dito ay si Elaine. Yun nga, isa siyang go-getter. She's a junior reporter working in the same media company as Vivian. And ayun po, yung mindset niya is suck it up, bring her to work. So, yun po. Yun po si Elaine.
Actually, Sarah, when I told you, sabi ko, Mars, ang husoy nung yung junior reporter. She agreed sa akin, yes, she's really good. She's really good.
Thank you po.
Alright. Thank you, Sarah. And of course, ang husay mo dito, Lian Valentin.
Ayan, hello po. Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. And syempre, we are so happy and we are so grateful for everyone na talagang nandito and sumuporta sa amin dito sa Untold. Maraming salamat po and thank you for coming.
Alright. Your role, briefly?
Yes, so again, I'm Lian Valentin and I play the role of Amanda. So si Amanda, so si Amanda po ay isa sa magpapahirap sa character ni Miss Jones. So
physically talaga.
Physically, mentally, emotionally, lahat na. So ayoko magkwento ng marami dahil grabe po itong movie na to, talagang kabang-abang at dapat mapanood ng lahat. So please watch Untold po ngayong April 2.
Thank you, Lia. Congratulations ang husay mo.
Thank you po.
And of course, sabi ko nga, swerte niya kasi naging parang screen partner niya ang The Asia's Best Actress. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ikwento. Marami siyang pwede ikwento, pero hindi ko alam hanggang saan ang pwede ikwento. Juan Carlos, please.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Yes, thank you for giving us your time for today. Ako nga pala si Juan Carlos. I play the character of Jasper. Di ko alam kung ano yung apelyido ni Jasper. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yun na yun. Thank you.
Pero ang swerte ng si Vivian, meron siyang Jasper. No?
Mas swerte siya. Ang swerte ni Vivian talaga.
Actually, kala mo kasi wala ng hope eh. Tapos dumating ka. So, diba?
Exactly.
Ang ganda-ganda ng character. Thank you, Juan Carlos. At eto na. Tawa ng tawa. Horror to. Joem Bascon! Joem! Ay, ang ganda rin ang role mo dito.
PJ naman. Di po sa lahat ng press, maraming salamat sa inyo pagpunta. Siyempre ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakita ng ganitong karami na press na mag-host ng ating press con. Yes. So, nasanay tayo na medyo unti-unti na yung mga taong pumupunta pero yan sobrang nasa-forgigan. Yes. Thank you. Bali ang role ko dito si Benj, isa akong rockstar na cameraman ni Bibs, which is played by Joey
in Revelation.
Tapos, yun, hubadero lang ako dito, lagi ako nakaupan. Hindi kasi ang init, kung mainit yung mga locations namin, biglang uulan, biglang araw ng sobra. Pero happy naman sa set, matatapos naman namin kahit na sobrang cover. Ginagawa.
Gusto kong marinig mamaya kay Direct Derek, yung pagkakatahi niya ng character. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Ikaw yung parang...
Ako ba?
Hindi, ikaw yung parang naging konsensya. Baka ganda na lang kaya ko.
Sige, baka makwento na yung buong buo eh.
Okay, next naman I have to apologize. But still a queen. Please welcome Miss Gloria Diaz.
Why apologize?
For taas ng energy ko, I said Romero.
I love her.
I know. Kayo ha, judgment.
Okay.
Do I ask you?
Okay, what's my role? Is that what you're asking me?
Would you like to tweet muna after mga viral videos mo sa TikTok and grabe, ang saya-saya ng mga videos. I was watching you with Isabella. Ang dami yung mga nag-viral na videos.
Ganon? I don't have TikTok yet eh.
Okay.
Anyway, hi everyone. Ang daming faces na hindi ko masyadong kilala. Some I know. You know, some faces are familiar. But many also I knew. And I'm glad we're all alive and well. Okay.
Kasi pageant season na naman, kaya naglalalabasan naman yung mga videos ni Miss Gloria. Winning moments ni Miss Gloria, di ba? How do you feel? tuwing season na ganito eh. Ikaw lagi, everywhere.
Is it? I'm not aware of that, but good. Para akong na-resurrect, parang Lazarus na nabuhay, hindi na direct. Diba? Until I'm 90. I'm going to be 74 on April 5.
Wow! Happy birthday!
The birthday ni GMA.
Nice. Walang comedy.
Kasi Presidente GMA.
Ang saya-saya mo. Ang saya-saya mo. Alright. Before...
Okay. What is my role?
Yes! Bukod sa alam natin.
I am the supportive mother of Jody, and I own a carinderia that serves food and drinks and alcohol, and many of my scenes are there. And I live in a very old house, very kind of nice house. And I think my husband was not a very good man, so I'm always protective of Jody. I always build him up until she found out finally. And we have a small...
She was made to believe na the father is a...
He was a good person and everything.
Only to find out na wala ka sa will find out.
Yes, and then of course, and I was very excited. The typical mother, the same way I am about my daughters. Yung talagang believe, very supportive. Because I was so proud, so happy, kahit sino dyan, alam mo, ang anak ko, reporter yan, ganito, ganyan.
Just like
yeah, very typical.
Typical mom.
Typical mom. And all that. And, kasi with my children, I always say, alam mo, si Beth, ganito, ganyan. And my daughter always says, thanks, Mom. I know you're not biased. Ganito rin. Very, parang kayang-kaya ko yun, no? To be a supportive mother.
Thank you, Miss Yu.
Thank you.
Before the lead actors, I'd like to hear from Direct Derry.
Hi, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming, guys. Especially po sa lahat po nang pumunta. And then, yun po, maraming po salamat sa pag-supporta po ng Antol.
Uy, sumasama sa promotion. Sige, enjoy ka din. Mall show, FanCon, meet and greet.
Oo,
Sibong na.
yeah, nag-sibo kami. Wala, kulitan mode eh. Sana ako nakakapagpahinga. Kahit paano.
You get to rest naman when she leaves. Anyway, thank you. And of course, ang atat. Grabe siya, she's into movies talaga nowadays.
The woman in love.
Talaga.
In love with the work.
Pinakilala Flores for the beautiful makeup. Si Miss Lala does her makeup the past days. Miss Jody Santa Maria! Nagpapayaman ng gusto, may new online shows, kung anong daming she's
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here this afternoon. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung presence po ninyo, yung time na nilaan po ninyo ngayong hapon para makasama po kami dito sa aming munting media call. Kahit hindi talaga munting kasi sobrang sabi ko, napaka-well attended. So maraming salamat po sa panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.
Alright, thank you, Mare. Thank you for that. Nakita ko yung energy mo promoting this from special na special talaga. Untold for you. What's even more exciting kasi is the presence of this guy, a hands-on executive producer, Keith Monteverde. Sir Keith, greet everyone please.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon, and yeah, really thank you for coming and supporting Untold. It's always special seeing all of you here at this place. Nothing makes me feel closer to Regal and my grandmother than these events at Valencia, so thank you.
Kasi nung 23 decades ako, ganito pa lang siguro na we were already attending media cons, mga OGs, mga Miss Ian Parinia, sa London.
That's true, usually naka-diaper, walang damit. Tumatakbo lang dito.
20 years ago, ilang taon ka na attorney as a kid?
40.
Okay, so 10 years ago. Alright. Feel free to, to answer. May mga questions definitely na sa'yo siguro direct, but please, we need your mga comments. Who would like to ask the first set of questions? Siguro si